So there are 5 ways you get paid with doTERRA. The first way is retail sales. That's just when you buy an oil and someone wants to buy it off of you. You make 25% off everything that you sell retail from your wholesale discount. The second way you get paid is fast starts. doTERRA does something really cool. When you sign anyone up with a wholesale membership, you make 20% of anything they purchase for the first 60 days. And the person who signed you up makes 10%, and the person above that makes 5%. The third way that you can get paid is your power of 3 bonus. This way is really cool because it is just a bonus. When you have 3 people underneath you, all making a $100 LRP order and your total volume equals 600, doTERRA just gives you a $50 bonus. And when those 3 people have 3 people that are also doing the same thing, you get $250. And when those people also have 3 people all ordering $100 on the loyalty rewards program, doTERRA gives you a $1,500 bonus. And that's on top of everything else you're already making. Now the fourth way you can get paid is your UNILEVEL bonus. This really adds up as you've been doing doTERRA longer. So what doTERRA does is that they're gonna pay you on 7 levels of all the total sales on everyone underneath you. Now, something that doTERRA has done that's a little bit different than any other company is they actually pay you the least amount on the people closest up to you and the most on the people down below. So as you can imagine, what slowly happens after you've been doing this for a few years, you're gonna be wider and have more people further down in your organization that you're making 7% on instead of flip-flop. The reason why they do this is number 1, if you stick with this, you have such a greater earning potential. And number 2, it really fosters team building. Why would you not want to help your team out by placing people underneath them? Because the percentage you start to make gets higher as you put more people down. Now the 5th way you can get paid is the leadership pools. This happens after you hit the rank of silver, which is considered the first leadership rank in doTERRA. What doTERRA does is they gather up all the sales and they split it between the advocates at certain ranks. So once you hit those leadership ranks, you'll make an extra bonus just because of the sales in the company. And what's really great about that is that it really helps promote you wanting to see everyone be successful in doTERRA, even if they're not on your team, because everyone gets a percentage of how well the company's doing. So those are the 5 ways that you get paid in doTERRA. You can email me to hello@jewelhinton.com if you have any questions at all. Otherwise, reach out to your upline or the person who signed you up if you have any questions about how to get paid. If you don't have an upline yet, I'd be more than happy to help you get started and help you tap into all of our resources we have for building a successful business with doTERRA. Call my mom. She gets a hold of me really well. 628-33. That makes sense. Okay.
I didn't know this. This is fascinating.
Isn't it? Hashtag oil out. doTERRA is real. doTERRA is done when you first